is Ademi Sherifat, and this is Shade B's basic coping therapy course. You're welcome to our step-by-step guide on performing coping therapy. This session will walk you through the essential tools and the procedure you need for safe and effective coping. First, we need to gather the tools needed for coping therapy. There are many nice and fancy tools, but these are the basic ones that you are going to need. You need a blade or a surgical knife. You would need a potent disinfectant, the one with 100% alcohol. You need a spirit, you need cotton wool, you need tissue paper, you need hemoglobin, any form of hemoglobin or blood tonic. You need hijama or coping cups. You need a coping gun and long and short hand gloves. After you have gotten all of the tools, here's a step-by-step guide to performing the therapy. Step 1. Disinfect the area using an active disinfectant and cotton wool. Step 2. Clean the same part with spirit to ensure thorough sterilization. Step 3. Use the coping gun to create a suction in the area. Place the cup on the skin and use the gun to draw out air, forming a vacuum. Step 4. After a few minutes, release the cup and make a small incision with a blade or surgical knife on the skin. Step 5. Immediately reapply the cup to the same area to create suction again. This helps to draw out the blood through the incision. Avoid leaving the cups on for too long. Detailed timing guidelines are covered in the Certified Coping Therapy course. Step 7. Gently remove the cups and clean out the blood using cotton wool or tissue paper and disinfectant. It is crucial to understand that this course doesn't certify you as a therapist. Attempting coping without the proper certification poses risk to your safety and the safety of the client involved or others involved. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide to coping therapy. Always ensure that you are informed and work with certified professionals for a safe and beneficial experience. For more detailed instructions and to become a certified coping therapist, check out our recommended courses and resources. Stay informed and practice safe.